Next, we will replace the spindle on the DWX-53D. The spindle kit ZS53DC comes with everything you need: belt, the spindle assembly, and the collet. The reasons why you would typically replace the spindle is because the life of the spindle itself has reached over 2,000 hours. It's not uncommon to see it to go above. Of course, that depends on the type of material you're using. We will also need our torque screwdriver and our T-handle. Now let's get started. From V-panel, you'll select the device. You'll click on the icons, machine settings, go to maintenance, and spindle replacement. The spindle will move into position. It's recommended to power off the device and unplug the cable, just to be safe. Let's open the front cover, remove the maintenance cover. That will give us access to the spindle assembly. Next, we will remove the air nozzles. There's 2 screws. What I typically do is I place a rag underneath it just to make sure we don't lose any of the screws. And we're in a good spot. There's 2 washers back there. Just keep an eye on them. Next, we're going to remove the belt by loosening the screws. Do not remove them completely. You can move it forwards and backwards and then remove it. You can leave it right there for right now. Now, we will remove the spindle. 4 screws. When removing the spindle, we want to make sure they're very careful with the conductive blade not to bend or damage. We will attach the spindle. Make sure you clean everything, wipe it off really well. We can place it on top of it. Be careful with the blade. And hold it in position. Get 1 screw so it doesn't fall. And start threading it. Let's get the other 3 screws in place. Let's get the other 3 screws in place. 1. Not super tight. And then go across. Okay, now let's check, make sure it's tight. Next, let's attach the belt. And let's put it through the pulley and then spin the pulley till it's centered. It will self-center as we rotate the pulley. Tighten the screws. Make sure you don't completely tighten them when you're attaching it. and then check them. Using a set of feeler gauges, get one that's about less than 0.7 millimeters, and we want to check the spacing in between the conductive plate and the spindle. Make sure it's less than 0.7 millimeters. If you need to, it can be adjusted by moving and dropping it down, up and down. Now we'll attach the air nozzle. Hold it in position. Get him started. Now with our torch screwdriver with the red handle, we will tighten the air nozzle. All right, we're all set. Clean up a little bit inside the mill. Let's plug in the device again and turn it on. Close the cover and we'll do a spindle run in and a automatic correction.
Thank you again for joining us for this Tech Buzz Tip Tuesday. If you have suggestions for a future Tip Tuesday, please email us at dental@rolanddga.com.